For new users on macOS, here's how to install Vigly and begin your first session. If you create a session before installing the app, Vigly will automatically redirect you to the downloads page so you can install it first. From here, choose the macOS installer and download the .exe file. Once the download completes, open the installer. macOS may block it the first time. This is normal. To continue, open System Settings. Privacy and Security, scroll down and click Allow Vigly. After allowing it, run the installer again and complete the installation. Vigly will now be added to your Applications folder. Next, return to your dashboard and create your interview session. Enter your details, click Create Session, then open the session card and choose Open in Desktop App. Vigly automatically launches and attempts to load your session. Because this is your very first time opening the app, macOS will ask for permissions. First, allow microphone access so Vigly can listen during your interview. Then macOS will request screen recording permission. Click Open System Settings, enable Vigly in the list, and select Quit and Reopen so the permission takes effect. When Vigly restarts, return to your dashboard and click Open in Desktop App again. On this first launch, after granting permissions, session details may not auto-populate. That's expected. Simply click. Activate inside the app to start the session normally. Vigly will now listen and respond in real time. From this point forward, these extra steps are no longer needed. On future sessions, Vigly will open instantly, automatically load your session details, and activate with a single click, no permissions, no redirects, and no setup required. Once everything is enabled, Vigly provides a seamless, invisible interview experience every time.